Hi, this is Chris, and I'm going to show you how to use Papershift for an agency's staff planning. So let's go straight into the account. And I've made an example here for a security agency. Now, the boxes you're seeing here are shifts that we've created. So we can see here, for example, we have a shift. We require door staff, 2 people, and we've assigned Hannah and Sarah to that. Now, this area is the tag, so it's the name of the client. And the door staff here, that is what we call a working area, which you can add here. And those are qualifications of people. So when you're creating a shift, by selecting the working area, you're saying what kind of people you need to work there or what kind of qualifications they should have. So to add someone to a shift, you just click on it and then it will show you the people with the relevant qualifications to do that. Just click on them and click done and they're assigned to the shift. Now you'll see this one has a blue circle in the top right corner, and that means someone has applied to work that shift. And if we click here, we can see that Patrick would like to work that shift. So click his name, click done, and he has been assigned to it. So we're now fully planned for all the clients we have. Now, obviously you'll have many clients that you'll need to keep track of. And so you can filter with the tags section here. So if we want to see, for example, just what we have on for the event client, we can filter like this and then just see what we need. So the next thing I want to show you is the employee section. And you can see here, you have the hours that they should be working each week and the corresponding color. So we can see here, Patrick is over his hours, Steve is exactly on the hours that he should be doing each week. And you can also see that on a monthly basis. So that's how you set up a security agency on Papershift. Feel free to go on our website or give us a call to find out more.